Hello, boys and girls. Today I am working on some spooktacular, scrumptious meals for my mom's Airbnb. I wanted to make some extra fun, delicious things for her to surprise her with, and I was hoping you guys could help me. The first thing I'm working on is some baddie burgers. I thought that would be so much fun. So, can you guys help me make some baddie burgers? I was thinking adding a burger, a bread, some cheese, and then some extra baddie funness on top. So let's go ahead and make the burger. Let me come over here and get cooking. First things first is I am going to make my burger. Gotta put that on. Then I'm going to make my bread. And I'm gonna put that on. And then while those are cooking, I will get my cheese. So let's close this up. Then I'm gonna get my slice of cheese. Let's get this ready. And we're gonna make a nice big slice of cheese. And then after the burger's ready, we're gonna add the extra baddie funness. So let's get that cooking. Looks like it's ready. We're gonna add the burger. We're gonna add the cheese. Then, instead of putting more bread, we're gonna add the extra baddie fun. So, let's put it on our plate and add that baddie fun. So I'm gonna get some more Play-Doh and make my baddie burger. So first, we're gonna add the middle, which is gonna be the baddie body. We're gonna put that right on top. Then we're gonna add wings to make them look baddie. It's gonna be so fun. So I'm gonna add baddie wings on this side. And then add some baddie wings on this side. And they're extra baddie. This, I think Mom will love this. So here is my delicious baddie burger. I think guests are gonna love this. Next, I wanna work on some spider spaghetti. Can you boys and girls help me with some spider spaghetti? First, I'm gonna make the spaghetti. And then, instead of meatballs, we're gonna do spider meatballs. I think it's gonna be awesome. So first, we're gonna make our spaghetti. Okay, let's push this and make our spaghetti. Ooh, this spaghetti's gonna be so delicious. We're gonna get that nice and delicious for our spiders. Now, we gotta make some spider meatballs. So first, we're gonna make 2 meatballs. So first, we're gonna make little balls, kind of like normal meatballs, but then the fun part is the spider part. Okay, so we're gonna add 8 little tiny legs to our meatballs. So we're gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs to our first spider meatball. That one's ready to go. Next, we're gonna add 8 more legs because spiders have 8 legs. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! We have our spaghetti and spiders. I think the kids are gonna have a blast with that. The last thing I wanted to do was a yummy, delicious dessert. I was thinking of gooey ghost brownies, and I was thinking to make them extra spooky and fun for our guests. We can make them green. What do you boys and girls think? Green ghost brownies? Oh, I think they're gonna love it. Yay! Okay, so we're gonna take our green and we're gonna put it inside our ghosts. So then we can make some special ghost brownies. These will be spooktacular. I can't wait to try it. Let me add in my special magic ghost deliciousness and then brownie deliciousness. That way they're extra delicious. And then I'm gonna get them ready and put them on our plate for our guests at the Airbnb. I think Mom is gonna love it, and she's gonna be so surprised that I made all these special things for our guests. So let's get this ghost brownie ready. It looks super gooey and super delicious. Here's our ghost brownie. It's awesome. It's spooktacular. It's great. Woohoo! Oh, I feel the baddies coming on because I'm so excited. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, that was so much fun. Thank you for cooking with me, boys and girls. We'll have to do that again soon. I think Mom and all our friends at the Airbnb are gonna love the baddie burger, our spaghetti and spiders, and our gooey ghost brownies. Thank you, boys and girls. See you next time.